guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I decorated this tray for fall. It is part of a Kitchen Vignette challenge that is hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. Make sure you check out her channel, which will be linked in the description box, as well as the playlist for this challenge. Denise has asked us to include some sort of a floral, something with a sign, and with words on it, as well as something harvesty for fall. So I am decorating this side unit that's behind my couch in my kitchen, and I am just using this I think it's orange and clove from Myers to clean it up. I love that scent and it reminds me of fall. I think it's because of the cloves in it, but I love using it for dusting or cleaning off any surfaces. I tend to use this sideboard or a dresser to add appetizers on, or make it a drink station for when we have gatherings at our home. So I needed to have something that I can easily remove it, and what a better way than put it on a tray and decorate it. That way you just remove the tray off. I am using this thrifted tray that I upcycled actually last year for Christmas. I will leave that video up in a corner. That was on my DIY channel, and I had just painted it and added some rope to it. So I give this tray a good cleaning as well. I just had all of my summer stuff on it, and I wanted to have a fresh, clean slate. And now on to decorating. I just want to mention that most of my decor pieces are either DIY or they come from Dollarama. This is another makeover, dollar store makeover that I did a while back. If I find a video, I will link it as well. And I just also want to mention that in case if you are new visiting my channel for the very first time, welcome. I have 3 different channels. This is my home channel that I had recently created and separated from my other channel, which used to be called Domestic Diva 76. That channel is now strictly a DIY channel, and this is home channel where I do home decor, home cleaning, home hauls, or anything home related. And I showcase all of the DIYs that I make on my DIY channel. And then I also created a cooking channel where I share my love for cooking. So if any of these channels interest you, I would love it if you subscribe to some or all and press the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my uploads. The florals that I have added came from Dollarama. I think Dollarama has great florals, seasonal florals all the time, much better than Dollar Tree here in Canada. Our Dollar Trees aren't all that great in Canada. And next I will add a pumpkin that I DIY'd as well. I love this buffalo plaid look on it. This is a Dollar Tree pumpkin that I dressed up with some material, and so I don't repeat myself constantly. If there is a DIY related video to a product that I'm using, I will add it to the screen. The sign had come from Home Sense, and I think it was $12.99. I had purchased it about 2-3 years ago. Next, I will add my fall candle, and this candle came from Yankee Candle, as well as the pumpkin topper for it. Now I'm going to fill it with a whole bunch of different pumpkins. Some are ceramic, some are stone, some are just plastic, and as well as some acorns. Most of these have come from Dollar Store. Well, actually all of them had come from Dollar Store, and some I had upcycled as well. So here it is, all done. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I think it includes all the elements that Denise has asked us to include. It is exactly the color scheme that I'm going for, and I can't wait to tie it in with the rest of the fall decor in my home. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. And if you are stopping by for the very first time, I would love it if you subscribed and press the notification bell. I have so much more fall decorating coming your way, and you don't want to miss it. I would also like to thank Denise for hosting this challenge again. I enjoy participating. I had participated in previous months as well, and I love it. I will include all those videos in the description box. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.